In front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select folders. Click on a photo you wish to add, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!